For this video, we're going to be looking at how to sort table data. So when we talk about sorting table data, we're either talking about sorting stuff alphabetically in an ascending or descending order, or sort a table in numbers in an ascending or descending order. So to do this, we'll click back inside our table. So our Table Tools tab appears. We go to Layout. We come up here to the Data tab under Sort. We click on the Sort option. Okay, sort by 1. Alright, so is it column 1, column 2, column 3? Yeah, we want column 1. Or actually, let's go column 2. No, let's keep it as column 1. We want it as a descending order. Okay. And let's leave the rest. Let's go OK. There we go. That has been rearranged in a descending order. And due to the fact that this has been rearranged, everything else gets rearranged automatically. Okay, that is how you make use of your sorting table data option in Microsoft Word, especially when it comes to tables.